Wanna know how to see your data in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your website and type in plant.net. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, you should be seeing your profile. So right beside your profile, you should be seeing your data. So make sure you are logged in as well. To access this, you need to be logged in. So if you aren't, we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So you can just simply select my data right here on the top right side, and once you have done that, here you should be seeing your observation right here, my data observation. You can also see your public profile, see your observation, and also see filters. So here you can see dates and what's more, and hit towards a group, and also see groups and your rank as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.